I'm going to show you a simple step how to do your registration on Xoxo. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Now you can see it whenever they send you a link just like this, you're going to copy this link. Okay, copy, then you have to go to your what, to your Trust wallet. You locate your Trust wallet. Okay, to make sure that you have, so you can see I have 70 Binance Peg and I have a smart chain $5. So the next I'm going to do, I'm going to come to dApps. You can see dApp, you can see wallet, discover dApp. You click dApp. Now when you click dApp, you come here and paste that link, paste it. You understand? So you can see that you make sure that the code of your sponsor is there. For like this code, you can see 14. You paste it there. Then the next thing, you just click the good sign, that search. So you look at this icon, you change this icon to smart chain. It's going to bring you to this site. It's going to bring you to this office. This now you see you are inside. So it's going to ask you get started. Click get started today. Now it's going to ask you to connect. You can see it's going to bring you this page, connect. If it's not bringing you here, maybe something's wrong, maybe your network, so you have to cross check. You click connect. Now you can see it's very simple. So the next thing now is going to bring this page. You click approve. Now you see it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to charge its first purchase. You confirm. So you see it's saying awaiting approval. So here we're going to wait and see how it goes. So you can see now it have approved. So what we are going to do next, we are going to go to what, register. Already the sponsor is what, ID 14. So the next thing you are going to do is to click what, login. Okay, let's view dashboard. So sometimes you click, it will bring you back, take you back. So just insist to you too. So now you click approve. Confirming transaction. Because it's confirming transaction. It's about to redirect. So as you can see, it's very simple. It's not that hard. Just make sure you watch this video over and over. So you can see she have registered and her ID is, this particular ID is ID 872. So she's number 872. Now for your referral link, you can see where you say copy. Look at where I'm copying now. Just highlight this place, select all. Okay, you can see it. Copy. So I want to show you. Let me just go and paste it somewhere. So you can paste it here. You see, so this is your referral link. You can use to actually give out to whoever you want to sponsor. So let's go back to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. You can see this is our dashboard. And see 0. So the next thing we want to do, now. Before you are here, if you find yourself here, it means the system have taken the $20, which is the pool 1. Do you understand? So the next thing you are going to do is to what? Is to buy your first slot. So you can see everything is 00. So you just come here and click buy slot. The same process, you approve. Now for the sake of security, you can see each time I approve, it keep asking me for 6 secret code. Excuse me. It's very important you put you set up your 6 secret code. It's very important. With that, scammers can find it hard to go into your Trust wallet. So you can see now it is 1. It have shown that she have what? Purchased, and she is good to go. Now Now to confirm that she has purchased, let's go back to our Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go back to our Trust Wallet. Come back to our Trust Wallet. You see that this $70 is no more here. BUSD 70. You see, it is gone, and the $5 of smart chain has also reduced to 4.71. This is to show you that you have successfully registered. Now, if you want to go back, you come to your dApp. You look at the first history here. Click it. It's going to bring you back here. So this is the simple way for you to register on Xoxo. All right, so you can play around and see what is happening. All right, so far we have 872 users, meaning if you come into this business now, is a good opportunity. Definitely this number will reach 1 million active user. Okay, so I don't intend to make this very long. So if you find this video very helpful, okay, I'm your homeboy Six Figures, and Six Figures. So basically, you're welcome to my Six Figures online YouTube channel. If you find this helpful, kindly subscribe, give your brother a like, drop a comment, and if you're interested to actually partner with my team, I'm going to show you how I'm recruiting even without talking to talking to anybody on the phone. All right, so there's going to be a link description in the comment below. Just go there, and better still, if somebody shared this video with you, still go back to him and get his referral link. All right, Xoxo is for the people, by the people, and it's here to change life. All right, so thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.